Undo and History. The last two buttons on the quick taskbar are Undo and History. These buttons allow you to manage and view your change progression within a single session. Any changes you make in one session are temporarily saved. Closing a session will wipe the history, but within your current session, you may undo and redo any changes you have made. Just like with other CAT editors or standard text processing software, you can click the Undo button to go back one or multiple steps in the editing process. Please note that you can only undo changes in the currently active segment. This is very helpful because it stops you from undoing changes elsewhere by accident. Once you've undone something, a Redo button will appear in case you change your mind. You can also view a change history of your current session with the Undo History drop-down button. It will list every change that was made in this current session. Click on an item from the list to activate the segment that was changed. From there, you can step through and undo changes in that segment, or even just to review the work you've done so far.